from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a little bit of a nail art haul for you. If you saw in my previous My Mani box, they gave me a coupon to get a stamping plate, so of course I had to go and check that out. So this is from Beautometry, this haul. So I got a few different things because, well, I was on the website and I had to buy some other stuff because, well, you know, obviously I am into nail art. So I will share with you all the different products that I purchased slash got free through my coupon, but I kind of paid for that anyways. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. So they just included their card, and that's where you can find them. And then just a little thank you for my purchase. So let's start with the stamping plates that I got. So I got two Moyu London ones. I think this is a newer one. This is the Summer Vibe stamping plate by Moyu London. No, it doesn't have a little picture on this one. Shows you how to use it if you don't know how to use stamping plates. And I thought this one was really neat. Like, look at that. This one is Summer Vibes 02. I was trying to decide between the different ones, but they all had similar images, but I seem to like this one the best. So I got that one. Those are $9.99 on the website. Then I got the Sailor one. This one is Olive the Sailor from Moyu London. They actually changed the back of them too. Did they change the back? Oh, look at that. They changed the back of that one too. Updating their products here. So this one is number 20, and I kind of got because I thought that was a super cute image, and it's a mermaids and it's under the sea, so how can I go wrong here? So that one, also $9.99. And then I picked up some polishes. So I got this Hit the Bottle polish. I actually really love Hit the Bottle. Ever since I tried them in my Mani box, I absolutely love them. So this one is Copper Haired Girl. So there's a few different bronzy kind of ones, but I really liked this one a lot. Alright, so we're moving on to the next polish here, and this is one of the Hit the Bottles. I think these are the jelly ones. This one is called Shamrocked. I have a few of these now and I actually really enjoy them. They are perfect for water modeling and for lead lighting and also reverse stamping. I really like them. They're kind of a transparent colored polish that work really well for filling in stuff. So I picked up another one of those. And the next one here we have is it's this gorgeous tealy polish. This says Break the Icing. I really was hoping that this one would be really nice, and it looks gorgeous, by the way. Alright, and the last polish that I picked up is I got another one of the jelly ones. So this is Hit the Bottle, and this one is called Blue Kamikaze. So like I said, with the green one, it's great for water modeling, lead lighting, and reverse stamping. So these ones work really well. I'm hoping that these two colors work just as well as the other ones. So that is everything that I got from Beautometry. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.